Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and on either side you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them and a 12-volt power outlet. On the opposite side, you have this button to turn on your articulatable cargo lights on either corner. And underneath this rugged cargo cover, you have your spare wheel with some extra little compartments for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and ActiveX interior, I believe. Fold-out armrests with two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a 110-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. And the backs of the seats do have zippered pouches, as well as MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have a premium B&O sound system and a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls to cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy. Then you can go into further settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, adaptive steering, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then you have your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk, and moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio series and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. Below that, you have a little cubby here, and below that, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Down below that, you have this area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with another USB and USB-C. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.